Girijatmaj Ganesha. Once Parvati wanted to know the reason of the sheer grace on Shiva's face whenever he was in meditation. Tell me who you pray to, my lord? She asked Shiva. Shiva said it was due to Ganesha's mantra. On being asked whether she could achieve it too, Shiva said to Parvati, "Yes, but you will have to chant it peacefully, with full devotion and concentration." An eager Parvati soon set off to a cave in a huge mountain, Lenyadri, that was situated in a village called Jinnapur. In order not to lose focus, she placed a statue of a child in front of her and commenced stringent and deep penance, chanting Ganesha's mantra. After many years, the statue in front of Parvati turned into a child with a trunk and 4 arms. Parvati is the daughter of a mountain, Girija, and Ganesha is a child who took birth from her soul, Atmaj. So, this form of Ganesha had the name of Girijatmaj. Lakshvinayak. Tarkasur, armed with Brahma's bones, was tormenting the gods and the sages. The sages were unable to undertake any pious or religious rituals or do meditation. Sage Narad went to Kartikeya, Balskand, and told him of the situation regarding the evil doings of Tarkasur. Kartikeya was mad with fury. He took his parents' blessings and charged into the battlefield to slay Tarkasur. Kartikeya attacked Tarkasur, but he wasn't successful. None of his weapons worked on the demon. He was confused. Kartikeya returned to Mount Kailash and asked his father for guidance. Shiva told him that he did not worship Omkar Ganesh before stepping into the war front. That was why he was not successful in slaying the demon. Shiva told Kartikeya to pray to Omkar Ganesha and obtain his blessings. Omkar Ganesha appeared before Kartikeya immediately after he had chanted Omkar for 1,00,000 times, Laksh Japnam. Hence Ganesha was called Lakshvinayak. He gifted him an arrow and his mount peacock. It was with his divine arrow that Kartikeya finished off Tarkasur. Shami Vignesh. Legend has it that Ganesha took the form of Shami Vignesh when Lord Indra's evil thoughts gave rise to 3 demons named Mahapap, Sankat and Shatru. These demons performed a tremendous penance to please Shiva. They were blessed by Shiva to become victorious rulers. After attaining the power, the demons went berserk and started troubling people. Sage Mughal saw the suffering of the people. He requested Shiva and Parvati to transform into a Shami tree, the flowering tree of pea family. The sage then asked people to worship Ganesha by chanting Ganesha's mantra under the Shami tree. Ganesha was pleased with the worship and appeared before the devotees. He assured them that he would punish the demons soon. Vignesh, the warrior form of Ganesha, shot 3 arrows together and killed the 3 demons in one single shot. Soon, Ganesha got merged into the roots of the Shami tree. Ever since, Ganesha was called Shami Vignesh. Ganesha in Kashi. Shiva was very fond of Kashi, a place that he used to visit frequently. Kashi was ruled by King Devodas, who was very kind and pious. Once, King Devodas persuaded Brahma to keep all the gods away from Kashi as it was a perfect kingdom with no unhappy citizen. Shiva was very upset to know this. He sent his attendants to find faults in Kashi so that he might ask Brahma to let him go there. But his attendants did not return from Kashi and started residing there due to the serene surroundings of Kashi. Then Shiva sent Ganesha to create disturbance in Kashi. Ganesha disguised himself as an astrologer and entered Kashi. He impressed upon the queen and told her that he wanted to tell about Devodas's future in his presence. Ganesha then told Devodas that Kashi would soon face destruction if he did not let the gods enter Kashi. Devodas realized his mistake and prayed to Shiva to reside in Kashi forever.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.